Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 57 of the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And it's a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, what would you make in that time? So yesterday I did a Happy Meal unboxing, and today I want to, I'm going to finish up that other side, this page right here. Let me make sure I'm in frame. And so I'm probably going to use some of the things that I did get in the Happy Meal. So let me go ahead and slide this over. Make sure I'm in frame. Go ahead and set my timer for 10 minutes. Okay. And I'm definitely wanting to probably make, I think I'm going to make like a, I guess like a diagonal shaped pocket or something. And since we have some yellow on this side, I want to bring some yellow over here. So I think this yellow would look good with it. So I'm going to bring this, probably this. Now this kind of texture, I'm not real sure. I may have to stitch it to something in order to make it stay. So what I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to use this right here, I think. And I'm going to tear a piece like going at an angle. And this is going to go here. I'm just going to go ahead and start sticking it down. I'm not even going to, normally I distress, but I think I'm just going to start gluing. Okay, so we're going to glue this on here. If it looks good, then I'm just going to go ahead and go with it and use it. And like I said, I'm probably going to have to stitch this right here to the page. As a matter of fact, while I've got the time, I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I wonder, should I put something darker behind it? Maybe a piece of this, just like a little strip of it. Yeah, let me tear like a little old part of it. Yeah, or should I put it like right here? I think I should put it like right here. Yeah, let me just glue this on here. This is part of the side pocket. I think it looks better. Yeah, it'll look better that way. That way that brown kind of brings it out. All right, and then I'm just gonna stitch. I'm gonna move all this out the way first. And I'm just gonna stitch this little piece to the to this page. I think wait a minute, is it one page or two pages? I must have glued those together. I'm gonna go ahead and first, let me just, so it stays in place, just add just a little bit of glue, because I don't know how well it's gonna stick anyway, so let's just kind of smear that in a little bit. And this is just to hold it in place right here in the corner. All right, and then I'm gonna fold this like that. And speaking of stitch, I ended up having to stitch the center of the book because my pages started coming apart. And that's not gonna work. So let's go ahead and stitch this on here on the side. Let's see, sorry if it makes a lot of noise. Let's see, let me try to get this lined up. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring it up this way. Kind of have it kind of down, not necessarily in the middle, but close to the middle. Let's see. me bring it back down a little bit this way. And then we're going to come across. Alright, so we've got us a little pocket right here. Like a little side pocket. And then we're just going to decorate that. And I'm going to decorate it using some of the stuff that I got in the Happy Meal, like my, you'll see. Alright, so I did save some of my paper, my palotes. I'm trying to pronounce it correctly. But I'm going to make like a, what do you call it? Collage of these. Or maybe I should just put just this little part right here, palotes, on here, the part that actually says palotes. I want to add that on there. Not sure how well this is going to stick, but I think it'll stick pretty good. Hold on. I'm going to put it like right in here. So we've got that. I turn it to where it's kind of straight. The words are kind of straight. And then I'm going to add definitely want to use this coffee cup. I love that. So let's just go ahead and glue this little part. I think I'm going to put it like right in here. And it's still a pocket. And then I can put something here. Something kind of light, I think. Let's see. I might even take like a little piece. Let me get my circle punch. I'm just going to punch out like a little piece of this yellowish. It's got like different colors in it. Let's see. I really like that. From my alcohol ink session. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's just go ahead and finish fussy cutting the remainder. Okay. And I'm not going to cover that up, but I do want to connect the two together. So I think I will just stress that little bit right there and glue it on. Let me see. And I might take a smaller hole punch, circle punch, and then add to the other side of this coffee right here. Just to kind of, I feel like it needs a balance, another circle to kind of balance it out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and glue this on. I think I need one like up in here, like a smaller one. Let me see. Here's like a smaller, it's a real small one. And I'm going to use part of this shinier bit that's got some blue and different colors in it. And then just, well, that's not really, I can't really, it doesn't show too good. I'll put this here in the middle. Hadn't planned on doing it like that, but I need something here, but I need something a little bit bigger. Well, let's see. Since this didn't turn out quite the way I like, I could still put this 7 over here, and I think I will. So I'm not worried that oh, there's my time. But that's okay. All right, well, we got that today, and then tomorrow I will probably finish this page off. So that's our 10-minute session for the day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And like I said, tomorrow I'll probably finish it off with some of my other stuff. What I should just do two set. I should have done 2 sessions and then in one, but it's okay. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and happy crafting.